On behalf of Procurement Services, I would like to thank you for watching our training video. In this video, we will discuss how to use the document search feature. Okay, now that we are in ePro, there are two places I can search for documents. One being the top, there is a search bar, and to the left there's a drop down where I can specify the type of document I would like to search for, or my favorite method, on the left hand side, the third icon with the clock hovering over the paper. If I hover over that and click search and then search documents, it will take me to the in-depth document search feature. For first time users, your document search may look something like this. If it does, do not be alarmed. If you click on the advanced search option, it will expose the criteria that you can drill down by. So if I click on the drop down box next to search, I can also change between requisitions, purchase orders, and invoices. So if I have the requisition number, for example, I can type it in there. But if I don't, maybe I can search by supplier, or I can narrow down and look at everything that I've done, let's say in the past 30 days, and hit search. Now, once I hit search, it is only going to show me the results that I have access to. So for shoppers, your results will be specific to carts that you have built. For requesters and approvers, if your financial security profile in Banner allows you to see documents within an org, all those documents should come up for whatever orgs you have access to. All right, so if I hit back to edit search here, I can go back. Maybe I'll change my date criteria to all dates, and let's just see some of the other things we can drill down by. So I can see any items that were ordered specifically, or any form types. Maybe I want to drill down. I can look at all my completed requisitions or all my pending requisitions. Or even if I scroll down, I can look and drill down by index number. So if I wanted to see any order that was charged to a specific index, I can type it in and hit search and yield the results. Now if I hit back to edit search, if I click in between and go to purchase orders, you'll notice I have very similar options here. And the same thing for invoices. So if I change this to invoices, now I can search by pretty much the same thing. But also from an invoice level, I can see and maybe search by all documents that have been paid or in process, or maybe payable and waiting to be paid. If I scroll down, if I know a payment number or payment method, I can search by that as well. So the document search feature is very useful. It is one of my favorite features in ePro. So I just did a quick search on index number 850410 and yielded these results. I now want to take these results and export them to Excel. How do I do it? Well, to the left hand side, we have an export search button. When I click on that, I notice I have 3 templates to choose from. I want to talk about 2 of those templates because I do not recommend a full export. So I recommend using either a screen export or a transaction export. And here are the differences between them. A screen export is going to export everything on this screen right here: requisition number, suppliers, requisition name, requisitioner, requisition date and time, and requisition total. While a transaction export is going to export everything on this screen with the exception of the internal notes and attachments and the external notes and attachments. There is no export in the system that will export those attachment areas. But besides that, it will export the general section, the shipping section, the billing section, the accounting code section, and itemize every transaction. So if I go back to the results, I simply click export search, type in the name, test export, select what type of export I would like, and hit submit. Once I do that, I can now hit go to paid download export files and wait for my export to be available. And there it goes. Once I click on it and I hit open, it will bring me into the folder. I can click on the largest file, always just the direct name, testexport.csv, and open it up and see my exported results. On behalf of Procurement Services, I would like to thank you for watching this training video. If you have any questions, please email us.